I'm Lilia. I just completed the T-level foundation year in education and early years. I feel really good that I've completed it all because it was a really hard year, I won't lie. Actually doing it because it's something you love, I felt so much better doing it, and when you have an end goal it makes it so much easier to complete. It's taught me a lot about childcare, but then also a lot of life skills myself. Or cooking, I couldn't cook very well before, now I'm pretty good. How I do things on computer, I learned a lot more tricks. I think I came out my shell a lot more since secondary, for sure. My hopes for the foundation year at the start was to get a basic understanding of children and their development and everything. I also wanted to get my maths. When I was at my work placement, we learned about shapes and it came up on my maths paper, so I knew how to do it really well. I think I'm gonna pass, hopefully. Good hopes. I think I have achieved everything I hoped to achieve, and it took a lot of late nights or early mornings just to get it done, and I'm really proud of myself I've done it. In September, I'm hoping to start the T-level in education and early years. I think this course has prepared me for my T-level because obviously I've got the foundation I need and the knowledge I need, and I'm just going to expand on next year. The T-level foundation has done for me, I think this course has really just brought out more confidence. I've had more belief in myself than I have in a while. I think I'm a lot happier here than I was at school. I think I have so many more great friends, and I generally couldn't imagine not going T-level with some of them next year. I think this course has generally just brought me a lot of joy, and it really has set my heart on what I want to do.